Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial for install Ubuntu 23.04 for latest version using VirtualBox. Now I try to create new VM from my system, select Ubuntu 64-bit. Now I am select my location for drive, location P drive, Ubuntu 23 UPN 23, RAM 2.5 GB, dynamically allocate disk space 25 GB. Now create. I am already download this ISO. Now going to storage, click controller ID, click empty and select this from here, and going to network option, change NAT to bridge adapter and then click OK, and now start this VM. Installation running. Auto select language English, then click next, and you can select install Ubuntu, click next. Keyboard detect, click next. Ethernet connection, weird connection, yes, next. Normal installation process, click next. Erase disk and install Ubuntu, click next. This is device name disk SDA, okay. ext4 partition, auto detect Asia Dhaka Bangladesh, click next. Type your name, tech and computer Ubuntu, Ubuntu, username tech and password. Password, very weak password, okay, no problem. Click next. You can always change this later in the appearance settings. You can choose light or dark theme. I am trying to install dark theme. Then click next. You can see installation process from here. Click terminal. You can see installation process. Installation done. Now first time remove your ISO from device, optical device, and then restart your virtual device. Installation done. Now log in using my tech user password. Successfully log in my Ubuntu 23.04 checking some step, click skip, click next, do not send or wait. Right click on the desktop and open in terminal. Now open this terminal and type lg_release option A, just see Ubuntu version lunar code name 23.04 and try to ping internet Google public DNS. Yes, Google public DNS ping is successfully, and IP address is from my network. So you can use this desktop for your developer or end user. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.